This DIY you'll need newspaper, an old toothbrush and paints. Let's get started. First we'll fold the newspaper into half, then another half. And now we'll draw a butterfly and cut it out with the help of scissors. Now we'll go towards our empty wall and with the help of tape stick this newspaper on the wall. Now take a bottle of fabric paint. I have taken red color and take a toothbrush. Now pour some paint in the bottle cap. Now spray it with the help of brush evenly. Take a marker and outline the butterfly. Same way make some other designs. I have made 3 butterflies. How easily I have changed my ordinary wall into a beautiful one. If you like it, please tell me in the comment box below.